So you may or may not know, but for the last few weeks, months even, we've been hatching ducklings. Right, Arthur, it looks like one of the ducklings is going to hatch, because look at the egg, it's moving. So I think it's getting ready to hatch. Will we poke it, do you think, with like a knife or something?
Yeah.
And see if there's a duckling in there?
Yeah.
Right, let's go to the kitchen.
Why won't we poke it?
We have to poke it to see if there's anything in it. It's moving though, so I think there's definitely something there. Look, can you see it? Definitely moving. Is it moving?
I think it's your finger.
It's not my finger, Arthur. It's how could my finger be in the egg?
Daddy, I see your finger.
It's not my finger. Seriously, it's not. Right, anyway, let's start opening it. See if there's a duck in it.
That's crazy.
Right. Right, Arthur, do you want to start seeing if there's a duck in there? I think there might be.
Wait. Why?
There's something yellow in there. I see it. You see it?
Do I see it? I think.
What is it? What is it?
What's that?
What's what?
That.
I don't know. I think it's a duck. Well, hurry up and open it.
Okay, I'll bring it up.
No, whoa, be careful. Careful. Looks like a duck to me. Can you see anything?
Duck.
Yeah! It's a duck! A rubber duck. Well done.
Look, it's in there. Something's in there.
How did that happen?
Let me touch that. I don't think I need to.